Hi guys, Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Reaching out again about a new boat we've got stocked in. This is our 37-foot Scout. It's the first large Scout we've had in stock here at the lake. It's got a stepped hull, variable dead rise, so definitely a sporty boat that will handle the rough lake water without any issues. Step down here. Stepping into the boat. Got some versatile seating. Got the dive door over there. A fish tank obviously we'll be using for beer and other beverages. Triple V10 400 horsepower Mercury motors. Nice deep wide gunnels up to the bow. Digital dash. Good looking hard top here. Really like the Scout boats. They're Carolina flare that they're known for. Big, tall, deep bow. Got JL audio in the boat. If you'd like to reach out to us for a viewing, call, email, or just walk in the store. Love to get this boat out on the water. Thank you. Have a great day.